Hello, my friends, and welcome back to EasySpeak Podcast. I'm John, and today I want to share a small but powerful story with you. This episode is part of our 5-minute listening and shadowing practice. You can enjoy it anywhere, on the bus, while cooking, or when walking home. Today's story is about one unexpected moment, a moment that changed my direction completely. As you listen, try to shadow my words, slowly, clearly, and with emotion. Three years ago, I felt stuck. I had a routine, but not a life. Every day was the same. Wake up, go to work, come home, sleep. I wasn't unhappy, but I wasn't excited about anything either. One cold evening, I came home tired and frustrated. I made some tea and sat down on the sofa. I turned on the TV, but nothing interested me. Then, on the shelf, I noticed an old notebook. It was my beginner German notebook from school. I opened it and saw my handwriting, simple sentences, vocabulary lists, little doodles. And I smiled. I remembered that I used to enjoy learning German. It made me feel curious, alive, creative, but I had stopped. For years. That night, I whispered to myself, maybe I can start again, just a few minutes a day. Yeah, so I did. I opened YouTube and searched, Learn German Slowly. I found a podcast with short, simple stories. The speaker talked clearly, and I understood most of it, not everything, but enough. I repeated after him, slowly. At first, it felt strange, but after a few minutes, something inside me woke up. The next day, I listened again. 10 minutes, then 15. Every day it became easier. I learned new words and used them in small sentences. These small words gave me confidence, tiny but powerful. After 1 month, something surprising happened. My German improved a little, but my life improved a lot. I wasn't afraid to make mistakes anymore. I stopped waiting for the perfect time. I just started things. German became my friend. When I felt lonely, I listened to German podcasts. When I felt tired, I watched short German videos. Every new word felt like a small victory. I started writing daily notes in German. Today was a good day. I talked to someone new. These simple sentences helped me see my life more clearly. One afternoon, I was sitting in a cafe. Two tourists next to me were speaking German. Before, I would stay silent, but this time, I smiled and said, "Hello, seid ihr zum ersten Mal hier?" They smiled back, and we talked for 5 minutes. Nothing big, but inside me, it felt huge. For the first time, I felt proud. That moment taught me something important. Learning a language is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about connection, courage, and starting again. Repeat after me. I used to enjoy learning German. I started again. I wasn't afraid to make mistakes. I felt proud. Thank you for listening to another episode of EasySpeak Podcast. I'm John, and I'll see you in the next shadowing practice. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and believe in small changes.